Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the podcast where we embark on thrilling journeys through the natural world, exploring the fascinating creatures that inhabit our planet. I'm your host, Aristotle, and today we're going to delve into the captivating world of tufted deer. These remarkable animals have been roaming the forests of Asia for millions of years, and their story is one of intricate relationships, adaptability, and resilience. Let's start with the basics. What are tufted deer? In simple terms, they're a species of deer characterized by their distinctive tufts of hair on their foreheads. But that's just the beginning. Tufted deer are significant in the natural world because they play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. They're native to the forests of Asia, and their evolutionary history dates back to the Pleistocene era. From a scientific perspective, tufted deer belong to the family Cervidae, which includes all species of deer. They're classified as Elaphidus cephalopus, and their closest relatives are the muntjacs and the tufted deer of Southeast Asia. Key researchers like Dr. George Schuller and Dr. Peter Grubb have contributed significantly to our understanding of tufted deer behavior, habitat, and conservation status. One fascinating aspect of tufted deer is their unique digestive system. They're able to break down cellulose in plant cell walls, allowing them to feed on a wide variety of plants, from leaves to twigs. This adaptation is crucial for their survival in the forest ecosystem. In fact, studies have shown that tufted deer are important seed dispersers, helping to spread tree species throughout their habitats. But tufted deer don't exist in isolation. They interact with many other species in their ecosystems. For example, they have a symbiotic relationship with certain species of birds, which feed on the ticks and other parasites that live on the deer's coats. This mutualistic relationship is just one example of the intricate web of ecological connections that tufted deer are a part of. Unfortunately, these animals face numerous threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and competition with domestic livestock. As a result, conservation efforts are underway to protect their habitats and reduce human tufted deer conflict. Recent research has highlighted the importance of preserving tufted deer habitats, not just for the deer themselves, but also for the many other species that depend on these ecosystems. In fact, a study published in the journal Conservation Biology found that tufted deer help maintain forest diversity by dispersing seeds from tree species that are vulnerable to extinction. By protecting tufted deer habitats, we're also safeguarding the future of these trees and the countless other organisms that rely on them. As we conclude our journey into the world of tufted deer, let's reflect on what we've learned. These incredible animals remind us of the importance of preserving biodiversity and ecological balance in our natural world. By studying tufted deer, we gain insights into the complex relationships between species and their environments, which is essential for developing effective conservation strategies. In the words of Dr. Schuller, the loss of tufted deer would not only be a tragedy for the species itself, but also for the entire ecosystem that depends on it. As I always say, nature has much to teach us if we only take the time to observe and listen. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.